Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen and today is Thursday, September, I'm gonna have to look, 25th, 2025. And I'm here with a much anticipated unboxing of some, what I know once I open it will be purely fantastic, gorgeous yarn from Crystal at Bag O' Day. This is her new line of hand-dyed yarn, which you can get in her Etsy shop. And placed a few orders, and actually placed some more that'll be coming soon. And yeah, I just cannot wait to feel it, touch it, and show it to all of my wonderful subscribers who come back again and again to watch my videos and leave comments. And I hope you will enjoy this as much as I know I will. I did cut open the box because I didn't want to show any address. I will say this was supposed to come on Monday. Today's Thursday. And, you know, I figured, you know, sometimes, although I have a P.O. box, you know, if I order from somebody that I know, I have it delivered to my home. So, I thought maybe it was delayed because they were delivering it to my house. I actually stopped at the post office and I asked the girl, I said, you know, had I delivered it to my post office box, would it have come sooner? And she said, well, not really, because where I live, you know, there's a distribution center and then there's another post office and then there's my post office. Yeah, it's a hot mess. This was stuck in the distribution center, which is a few miles away from my home, since Sunday. So needless to say, I finally got through to somebody and they agreed to dig through and find out where it was, and this was yesterday, and voila, here it is. So you know, generally when I order from Crystal, I get it even earlier than expected. So this is USPS issues. And just a heads up, starting I think the end of next week, shipping prices will go up. So those that are going to be sending out any packages for the holidays, if you can get them done before next week, you will save a lot of money. So let's get on to the goodness. Enough about the shipping and the US Postal Service. Let's see what's in the box. I'm so excited. I did open it, but I didn't open each individual thing. So you'll be seeing it and I'll be feeling it for the first time. So what should we start with? I'm going to start with the smallest and then we'll go to the biggest items. So this is it's the Blacklight Mini Neons 5DK minis. And I ordered this for a reason, because I'm going to make a hat for someone special to me who loves the crazy hats. And it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Don't mind the crinkle, I apologize. But Crystal has it wrapped up so beautifully. But I just really want to feel it. So they're all wrapped. So you're gonna have to excuse the crinkling. But oh my gosh, look how fabulous and neon those colors are. Yeah, I've seen neon yarn in my day, but this is just truly so bright. And I don't have a black light. I'm gonna have to get one just to test it out. So this is 100% superwash merino. It's a DK weight, and there's 20 grams per hank and 54 yards. I think that says 54 yards. Hold please, I'm gonna get my reading glasses because I want to give you the right information. I found them. Okay, so these minis are 100% superwash merino, a DK3 weight, 54 yards per hank. It recommends a crochet hook size of 5 millimeter. And the color is neon blacklight. That is gonna be just fabulous. This is gonna make a really funky hat for my hat queen. Yeah, so yeah, I can't wait to make something fun. to pick out one of Crystal's beanies for her and make her a funky beanie, blacklight beanie. So yes, so this is still available on her Etsy shop. Okay, some of the yarns that I have are one-of-a-kinds, and I'll explain that as I get deeper into the beautiful box of yarn. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there. All right, let's see what else I have here. Okay, so these are sparkle yarns. Okay, let me pull up my order here. Okay, so what do I have here? I have beautiful, okay, this is gold stellina, 75% superwash merino and 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and then the rest is 5% stellina. It's a DK weight, 231 yards, and this color is tater tot. How beautiful is that? Okay, and this is a beautiful brown tater tot color with the gold sparkle. So pretty, so soft, and you know it smells beautiful because this is Crystal's hand-dyed yarn. And there is her, let me see, is it washing out? Okay, hand-dyed yarns, dyed at home peacefully by Bag O' Day. Okay, so this is a pre-order. I think it's still available on her website. The color is tater tot, and so this is a repeatable. She can repeat this color. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, this one is a non-repeatable color, and it's called, has the same, has the same specs as the tater tot. Okay, and this is called My Swimming Pool. And I got this also to make a beautiful beanie for the Hat Queen. That's my sister who loves all the hats. Again, this is 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 5% stellina. It's a DK weight and 231 yards, and recommends a 5.5 crochet hook. And it has the silver sparkle. So it's called My Swimming Pool, and it has the silver stellina in it. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you could see the stellina with my camera. It's not the best. But, oh, just beautiful. Just beautiful. And it's a perfect DK. Perfect DK. Okay, and then this here one I have is, the color is Washed Charcoal, and this one has the silver stellina in it. Isn't that beautiful? It's definitely like a washed charcoal, beautiful color with silver stellina. Same specs, 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 5% stellina. And this is stellina, so it's so soft. You do not feel the sparkle at all. And just gorgeous. Just love that. I think I'll be making myself something with that. A nice beanie or something, but just love it. So this here is also a pre-order. So I believe she still has it on her site, you know, her Etsy shop. But so this is made to order. You pre-order it and then she makes it and ships it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then also in that order is, okay, this is the Purple Galaxy Fade, also a pre-order. And if you know my channel, purple is my favorite color, so I had to get her Purple Fade, Purple Galaxy. Okay, and this is 100% superwash merino mercerized. Okay, and this is a worsted weight. So this is worsted weight, and it's mercerized superwash. I'm not really sure what the difference is, but it's beautiful. Okay, so this is the lighter of the fade. And then it goes to a beautiful darker. I'm gonna try and hold this. I just love this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with this beautiful, but this, the colors are just so fabulous. Okay, I'm holding this upside down. I can see the label. I need to get rid of the bag, the noisy bag. But let me put this all together so you can see it. That is the Purple Galaxy Fade. Okay. So 5 beautiful lavender. It goes from a light lilac to a lavender to a deeper, and then goes to a purple. So that's it. Purple Galaxy Fade. Absolutely beautiful. And as I said, this is a pre-order dye, and she has several bases. I chose to get this one in the worsted because sometimes you need a worsted weight depending on what project you're going to make. But that is absolutely beautiful. I just love it. Can't wait to put it. Crystal's going to have her own shelf. I'm a little crazy, but that's okay. That's why you're here, right? That's why you come to watch my channel. Because kind of bring the silliness. Okay, I have more. I have more. Okay. So this one is, okay, this is a non-repeatable color. And this is Yak Silk Merino Blend. And the color is brick. The color is brick red. And that is absolutely beautiful. It's like the color of a brick red. My last house was this color, brick red. So beautiful. The one before this one. So this is 60% superwash merino, 20% silk, and 20% yak. It's a DK weight, 231 yards, recommends a 5.5 crochet needle. And as I said, this is brick red. Okay, this is a non-repeatable, but I do think she has another brick red available. But it may be just this base. Okay, but so beautiful. Ugh. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that color. My camera does not give this yarn justice. It really doesn't. Oh, just gorgeous. Not done. You could say I went a little crazy. Yeah, but I am a little crazy, right? That's okay. I love my yarn. Okay. Now this here one is beautiful. And I had yarn similar in this color from Keith from Yarn Snob, and I used it to make a shawl. But this is, look at that color. It's called 14 karat. Is that not gorgeous? This is, it's 50-50 silk. So it's 50% silk and 50% superwash merino. Again, this is a DK 231 yards. Recommends a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. And the color is fabulous. It's 14 karat and it is absolutely gold. So pretty. Simply fabulous. Yes. Yeah. I have to find that scarf that I made. It was a challenge to use your special yarn project. And it was with Linan from Nina's Knots and Crochet and a few others. But yeah, it's on my channel. But isn't that beautiful? So this is all, I don't even think I could hold it all. Oh my, that's it. I think that's pretty good for one order. Oh my lovely yumminess. I can't hold it all. I know I can't. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can, let's see if I can't possibly hold all of this beautiful yarn. Look at this. Crystal, your yarn is just fabulous. And I do have a collection of superwash merino, but this is fabulous. And it smells unreal. So clean and like wool. And the stellina, look at that. Okay, that's my swimming pool. That's gonna make a great beanie. Could also make a beautiful scarf, but I foresee a beautiful beanie. Okay, and that's, I think that one is, was that repeatable? Non-repeatable. So yes, so please go check out Crystal Bagaude's Etsy shop for some fabulous yarn, and her prices are, yeah, unbeatable. 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 Beautiful. Yeah, and I know she's having so much fun. Her and Eric, and yeah, the whole family's involved in making all this beautiful yarn. But we needed to get back and start making some more tutorials, so I have something new to make up, you know, to use this beautiful yarn with. Thank you, Crystal. I just love it. This will be put right there on my Bagaude shelf. And I do have some more because I placed another order, because I can't help it. I keep going and looking and seeing all these fabulous colors. And yeah, just the colors, the depth of the color that she achieves is yeah, it's just stunning. Look at that. Gorgeous. So if you watch my channel, everyone asks, what is your mannequin wearing? This is a crystal pattern. This is a poncho pattern. I did this last year, and this was made with a Stenley cake, Stenley muffin tweed. And I will link it below. It's another great pattern from Crystal. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Now I have to go and actually let it all sink in and touch it off camera. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, and go place an order if you love beautiful hand dyed. Look at that. Can you believe that color, that she achieved that color on a hand dyed yarn? It's just, yeah, it's unbelievable. Magnificent. And I know the Hat Queen is just gonna love that hat when I work it up. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Crystal. I love everything I received, and I'm so excited to get my next order. Probably next week. Okay. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.